What we'd like to bring to you today is a brief overview of our procedures and policies at Portland Cars and Coffee. They're focused on safety because we respect you as an attendee. Number 1, absolutely no burnouts, exhibitions of speed, or anything dangerous. We are partners with the police of Sherwood. Number 2, please park only in designated parking spaces where you're instructed by our ground control volunteers. Number 3, no unnecessary revving of engines or loud stereos. Number 4, please respect the property, pick up your trash like Mom told you. Number 5, no drones, even if you have an F8A license or you're a licensed pilot. Number 6, no cones, flags, or display tables unless you're one of our vendors. Number 7, no reserved parking or saving spaces for your friends. Number 8, no for sale signs, whether on cars or parts. We're not a swap meet. Number 9, no handing out business cards or flyers for other events. Number 10, please do not touch other people's cars as you would not want them to touch yours. At Portland Cars and Coffee, we have space available for vendors. Our intent is to help small businesses recover after COVID, so we'd like to make available affordable spaces, roughly 10 by 10 or 10 by 20, so that you can come out and promote your related business to our audience. Thank you for your time and your interest in our event. Should you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to our ground control volunteers. They're the ones in the orange shirts. They can connect you with us, and we'd be happy to answer your questions.